I'm not touching the robot, and it's still moving. Flushed sounds fake. Watch closely. This 2WD Arduino robot is controlled only by my hand gestures using real AI and computer vision with PictoBlox. The camera sees my hand, the AI instantly understands the gesture, PictoBlox translates it into commands, and Arduino moves the motors in real time, forward, left, right, or full stop, no buttons, no remote, no excuses. If you're still using switches and joysticks, you're stuck in the past. This is how next-general robotics works, and this is the kind of skill that actually matters. Subscribe now for the full code, wiring, and a step-by-step build, and take your Arduino projects to the next level rocket.